Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about Python with PDF. PDF stands for Portable Document Format, a file format designed for presenting documents consistently across various systems. Working with PDFs includes tasks like reading, writing, and editing them using suitable tools and programming languages. For example, using a PDF reader like Adobe Acrobat or programming in languages like Python with libraries such as PyPDF2 can help manipulate PDF files effectively in various applications or projects. Python offers various libraries for working with PDF files, including PyPDF2, PyMuPDF, pdfrw, PyPDF4. A popular task is extracting text from a PDF file, demonstrated here using PyPDF2 library. First, import PyPDF2. Open the PDF file in read binary mode. Create a PDF file reader object to parse the PDF. Obtain a specific page using getPage. Extract text from the page using extractText. Finally, print or process the extracted text. Remember to close the PDF file after processing to free up system resources. When working with PDF files, common operations include extracting text, images, adding annotations, merging and splitting files. For instance, to merge two PDF files using PyPDF2, you can follow these steps. 1. Import the PyPDF2 library. 2. Open the PDF files to be merged in read binary mode. 3. Create PDF file reader objects for each PDF file. 4. Create a PDF file writer object to store the merged PDF. 5. Iterate over each page of the first PDF and add it to the PDF file writer object. 6. Repeat the process for the second PDF file. 7. Open a new file in write binary mode to save the merged PDF. 8. Write the contents of the PDF file writer object to the output file. 9. Close all opened files to ensure proper handling. This example demonstrates how to merge two PDF files, file1.pdf and file2.pdf, into a single PDF named mergedfile.pdf using PyPDF2 library. To efficiently work with PDF files, understanding Python libraries is crucial. Python offers libraries like PyPDF2 and pdfrw, which simplify tasks such as reading, writing, and editing PDFs. By mastering these tools, students can manipulate PDF files effectively in their projects. For example, using PyPDF2, one can extract text or merge multiple PDFs seamlessly. Similarly, pdfrw enables editing of PDF annotations or form fields effortlessly. Mastering these libraries empowers students to handle PDFs proficiently in their applications. Working with PDFs is like reading a physical book in a library. Just as you can highlight, bookmark, and take notes in a physical book, you can also annotate, search, and extract text from a PDF. A PDF management program is like a librarian organizing and cataloging books in a library. Converting a PDF into a different format, like a Word document, is similar to transcribing a book into Braille for accessibility purposes. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code defines three classes: PDF, Library, and PDF Manager. The PDF class represents a PDF file and has a method extractText, which simulates extracting text from a PDF file. The Library class manages a catalog of PDF files by adding them to a dictionary. The PDF Manager class handles operations on PDF files such as annotating a PDF, searching for a keyword in a PDF text, and converting a PDF to Word format. In the given usage example, two PDF files, PDF1 and PDF2, are created using the PDF class. Their text content is extracted, and they are added to the library using the Library class. The PDF Manager instance manager is then used to annotate PDF1 with a message, search for the keyword Python in PDF2, and convert PDF1 to a Word document. The expected output demonstrates that the keyword Python was found in sample.pdf, and example.pdf was successfully converted to a Word document. In real-world applications, this code can be used for tasks such as extracting text from PDF documents for indexing, categorizing, or searching purposes, annotating PDFs for collaboration or review, searching for specific content within PDFs, or converting PDF files to other formats for compatibility or editing purposes. One industrial application of working with PDFs is in the field of legal document management. Law firms often deal with a large number of legal documents in PDF format. With the help of tools like PDF Manager, They can easily annotate, search for specific terms, and convert these documents for various purposes. Another real-world example is in the healthcare industry. Hospitals and healthcare providers frequently handle patient records, medical reports, and insurance documents in PDF format. PDF tools like PDF Manager can be used to organize and manage these medical documents efficiently, ensuring quick access to critical information when needed. Across the globe, various industries leverage PDF processing tools to streamline their workflows, increase efficiency, and improve document management practices. Implementing such solutions simplifies handling and manipulating PDF documents, ultimately contributing to enhanced productivity and better information retrieval capabilities. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.